Gabriel Jesus
After
का
that,
goal, man.
by
That
Jesus,
guy shoots star type.
right? जब से
I think
आया
he
तब
should.
से मार रहा है यार. Like अच्छा कर रहा है. Like
I
he's
don't-
getting into
I
positions
don't
like
know why you all kept saying last season that you all don't have a striker.
Jesus, man.
he's good.
doing a lot better.
Gabriel Jesus and Odegaard, I think they should come in as substitute after 60th minute. And yesterday, we scored an own goal from a corner. Beat that.
I don't like what Arsenal is doing with the corner. And even the second goal, right? You can clearly see Kai Havertz blocking the defender from getting anywhere close.
That's
And the
every
fact that
game.
these things don't get called is just bad for football.
It's not illegal. He's getting the points.
Next season or the next season, there will be some new kind of a rule which
Yeah.
will kind of address this situation, or there will be teams implementing the same strategy.
When an Arsenal fan comes and says that it was a comfortable victory, that means anybody who's not even watched the match, that means Gyökeres has scored.
Arsenal defeat Leeds United 4-0 at Ellen Road.
But still, the best thing that happened yesterday was Himesh Reshammiya concert.
Two guys, our OG
It's
Manchester United fans coming back from Himesh Reshammiya concert
To HR.
late night.
Himesh Reshammiya is also red.
That he's also red. कल हिमेश ने भी 2 बार ऐसा किया स्टेडियम पे ऐसा. Go.
We're talking about Arsenal, right? गार्ड मार रहे हैं. Himesh कहाँ से आएगा? No promotion included, but we are open to it. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, we are always open for
Yes.
money. The budget
Yeah,
is
we
also
need,
not great.
we need money. We need money. We need subscribers.
Yes.
Now, since we are talking about subscribers, please share, like, subscribe this video.
Mr. Nirmala ji.
Nirmala Sitharaman has also said cloud is now free in India till 2040. Let's go. Let's go. We need 2 more subscribers to hit 100.
2
अगर
more.
100 Suri, अगर आज 100 subscriber हो गए ना, Arsenal will win the league. Now it depends on you and I.
ऐसा सब मत बोल, ऐसा सब जिंक्स मत कर.
उसका स्माइल देख, वो बोल भी कैसा रहा था.
ऐसा
स्माइल देखा.
ऐसा
Sentence में.
जिंक्स मत कर, because हम आर्सेनल फैन को पता है इट्स नॉट इजी. कभी भी 6 पॉइंट्स लीड हो, 10 पॉइंट लीड हो, तभी भी हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं रहते.
But
Okay, coming
it's-
back to the game. 4-0, it's not an easy place at Ellen Road, because Ellen Road में Leeds have not lost since November, and
Fuck, seriously? Oh.
yeah, they have not lost since November, and they did play well in patches, but
Yeah.
ultimately it was a comfortable game. 4-0. Gyökeres scored, like that's a highlight of the game, and Gyökeres scores, and he is leading the goal scorer list for Arsenal. 6
second
goals.
one है. Second one.
Goal.
और कल भी एक मिला
How
ना.
fucked up is that? How fucked up is that stat?
So 6 goals, Victor Gyökeres, own goal
हाँ.
second, and own goal and Trossard second with
Trossard is
5
second.
goals. And yesterday we scored an own goal from a corner. Beat that.
Yeah. But that was
This
some
is
real poor defending.
this is
It
peak
is like-
haram ball.
Yeah, big haram.
Peak.
And
I don't know who
Tell you-
coined the term haram ball, but it applies here.
no, I'll tell you. When an Arsenal fan comes and says that it was a comfortable victory, that means anybody who's not even watched the match, that means Gyökeres has scored. He only
हाँ,
scores in
हो सकता है.
comfortable things.
Leeds. अगला मैच
But you have
क्या
to give
बोलेगा?
credit to him. This guy has played well over the last couple of games.
2-3 games, yeah.
Even against Manchester United, he didn't get to play. आया था substitute में, but he didn't do much. जैसे ही आया, हमने कुछ खास नहीं किया. But yes,
पहले भी
whenever
कुछ
he
खास
has
नहीं
been
किया था.
called upon, he has played well over the last few games.
Yeah.
And yes. So to start off with, initially, before even the game began, Saka got injured in warm-up. I don't know what these people are doing in warm-up. क्या कराता है ये?
If I may. Corner practice. वो तुम लोग अपने आप को तो मारते रहे.
ये मैच रिएक्शन कम कॉर्नर से ज्यादा हो गया है.
So many
Stoke
players
City.
this season, players this season are getting injured during warm-up. ठीक है? I seriously cannot understand. अगर ये warm-up नहीं कर सकते ढंग से,
They're faking it. They need a reason for rotating the players.
Yes.
हो सकता है. I mean, जानबूझ के थोड़ा भी complain
See,
किया,
how do you start
Arteta is,
that?
physios are like, no, he's not playing. Even a
Oh.
little bit of discomfort, physios are like, you are not playing, and Madueke comes to. So that's a good thing. Saka gets injured last few seasons, we wouldn't have been so comfortable with Saka
Yeah.
getting injured. This season, Saka gets injured, Noni Madueke comes in, gives an assist from a corner, gives another assist for an own goal from a corner, 2 goals, 2-0, and at halftime we are comfortable. We are cruising. So
How good is it for you to, like, Saka goes away and someone like a Noni Madueke comes in? I think Madueke ही मारता है उसको corner practice में. तो तुम लोग
हो
warm
सकता
up में corner practice करते हैं.
But he's not
This is all Kai.
been
Kai
that good,
Havertz.
right? Or has he been that good? Like start अच्छा किया था फिर गायब हो गया, right? वो बीच में कि
कौन?
साका की वजह
Saka
से
या Madueke?
Saka or Madueke?
साका के मैडवेके बोल रहा हूँ, like बीच में अच्छा खेला था, like उसके
So
बाद गायब ही हो गया, right?
Madueke has been playing very well. ठीक है. The only thing is his final output, like D
हाँ.
tak, till the time he comes to the penalty area, he is a very good dribbler of the ball. He's direct. Till the time he comes to the penalty area, he's good. As soon as he comes to the penalty area, जब उसको shot लेना होता है या फिर pass
हाँ.
देना होता है, he
He
screws it up.
becomes Gyökeres. Yeah.
So he is Garnacho.
हाँ, he is probably like that. That's why
Chelsea gave a Garnacho.
Chelsea gave a Garnacho to take a
to
Garnacho.
take Garnacho.
I will never miss an opportunity to disown Garnacho.
Yeah, he's doing shit
So
anyways.
Hey Siri, 1 minute. You
हाँ.
have something to say about Kai Havertz and his role
Oh.
in get the
He's-
goal that.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So again, like I've said it in in one of the previous videos also. I don't like what Arsenal is doing with the corner, and even the second goal, right? You can clearly see Kai Havertz blocking the defender from getting anywhere close.
That's
And the
every
fact that
game.
these things don't get called is just bad for football.
I think every corner they have one or two players just
Blocking.
to block the goalkeeper or the biggest defender that
Yes.
the other teams have. So the tactic is 5 players on the far post and couple of players blocking the goalkeeper and some defender, and ball would be put on the just near the goal, and someone is going to head the ball in. That's it.
Or the keeper.
Yeah.
If not the ball, head the keeper.
Head the keeper.
But
No,
There has been
it's a very effective strategy, a very well planned out strategy by Arsenal, and the fact that
it's
it's
working.
legal means that
It's legal.
it's legal.
wor-
It's absolutely legal.
It's
But-
working.
Every game, right? The goalkeepers have now been put into so much pressure that you're seeing goalkeeper errors more than anything else.
Yeah.
And the rules are now so far against the goalkeeper, right? I remember it was very easy for a goalkeeper to lift his knee and jump, and that's the reason why people used to stay
Yes.
away from the goalkeeper.
There's no space now.
And now everybody's just crowding the goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper can't do anything. The goalkeeper moves his hand and hits somebody, it's a foul.
It's a foul.
So previously you could not touch the goalkeeper. Now it is just so far against the goalkeeper that it's not good.
Thank
But
you.
it's legal.
Thank you, Roy Keane, for that insight.
No, but I think earlier it was only said, like abhi it's become very obvious as the season went through, like क्योंकि corner से ही आ रहा था, इनका open play से नहीं आ रहा है, and the last
everyone
few
is doing
games, but
Everyone is
obviously,
doing.
like Arsenal का देखा, like the way they crowd, the way they do, like forget goalkeeper, defender, सबको जो लेते हैं, see, it's like you said, it's not illegal. He's getting the points. Like opposition, जैसी corner आता है एक, I don't like. I'm taking it too far, but जैसे वो
Off.
Fergie time का था ना कि like वो watch को point
Oh,
कर रहा है,
नहीं, you're
like
not taking it
mentality.
too far.
हाँ कि वो एक हो जाता ना, shit,
जैसे
he
corner
did that,
मतलब
opposition team अपने आप ये हो जाता, अरे fuck, it's extra time. वो वैसा एक हो गया, जैसे ही corner आता है, it's Arsenal, opposition is like fuck, they're gonna come, और वो
It's
वैसे ही
not
होता है.
even. It's not even just corners. It's dead ball situations. भाई अगर उनके
अच्छा.
डी के पास ऑपोजिशन के प्लेयर डी के पास अभी जो फर्स्ट गोल था वो डेड बॉल सिचुएशन था, कॉर्नर से नहीं था.
नहीं, it was from corner. The corner was defended and it
वो
went to
उधर-
Madueke और उधर से
उधर
उसका
से बॉल
corner.
आया, नॉट डेड बॉल बट वो विंग
हाँ.
से आया. एंड द अदर थिंग इन दिस गेम वाज Leeds defense was all over the place. The goal that Gyökeres scored भाई क्या था वो डिफेंडर के पीछे खड़ा है वो एंड द डिफेंडर
और
इज
मारा
ट्राइंग टू ग्रैपल विद व्हाट इज ही डूइंग
And
इट वाज अ ग्रेट गोल
that is
सेलिब्रेट
what
भी अच्छा
was
किया
missing from. That is one of the things which was missing from Gyökeres's game. That one defender can easily manhandle him. This game, this instance, he did something different and he scored the goal.
क्योंकि उसी
And
गेम में
उसी game में 10
पहले मैं
minutes.
भाई बोलना बट I'll tell you what, ये सब इसका ना there's one major reason behind the success that Arsenal is getting in corner. इस pre-season में they all went to Dadar peak hour में. They were trying to board a train, all of the players. वो जो तूने meme बनाया था ना Duane, oh my god, it was so spot on. I am so disappointed that
लास्ट
it didn't
स्टेशन
work. भाई वो जो दादर स्टेशन में all of the Arsenal players are trying to get into
चलो
the peak 9 o'clock
अंदर
वाला
चलो जगह है
train में.
जगह है
जगह है, बहुत जगह है,
आप
नहीं जगह
भाई
है,
वैसे
बहुत
ही
जगह है.
लेते सी एंड ऑफ द डे
I'll
इट्स
tell you
वर्किंग
what. Next
मोरिनियो
season,
का पार्क द
in the
बस था आई थिंक आर्टेटा का कॉर्नर एफसी या हराम बॉल जो भी बोल दो
corner FC.
कौन
And next season or the next season, there will be some new kind of a rule which
क्या
will kind of address this situation, or there will be teams implementing the same strategy.
You're already seeing teams do it, right? Even United does it in their corners now. Almost every team is going to adopt this strategy because it's
Hmm.
effective, right? You're putting a lot of doubt into a goalkeeper who 9 out of 10 times in all the previous years would catch those balls.
Exactly.
They
And
wouldn't
goal-
punch it. They wouldn't do anything. They would catch those balls.
And last season,
goalkeepers are
Arsenal
scared
started
now
to use the
कि गलती से अगर चले गया और अगर छूट गया हाथ में नहीं बैठा वन एरर ही इज नोवेयर एंड देयर आर प्लेयर्स एवरीवेयर
yes.
खत्म करके सीधा गया दैट्स इट यू डोंट हैव एनी चांस सॉरी तो
Yes,
क्या बोल
and
रहा
last season it was last season we started with the throw-ins, like the long throw-in we started taking, and it was only after us he aced up haram ball strategies hum la rahe hain, and other teams are copying it, and it is bad for football. I would say
Bad for football.
it is
See,
bad for
that is
football.
why it's Champions League का जो referees है, they are very strict with this. Something this is not
Hmm.
working in Champions League. Something like this happens in a Champions League game, he immediately stops the game, gives a card or a free kick. Premier League is not adapting it, and again, as we all said at the very beginning, as Mario said and as Duane reiterated, till the time it's legal, करो
Karo.
फायदा उठाओ
क्या है, फायदा उठाओ, जीतो लीग. वैसे भी आज अगर 100 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए तो लीग जीत रहे हो तुम लोग, नहीं हुए तो भूल जा, सेकंड है,
आज
बट इट इज व्हाट इट इज.
3 points end of the day 3 points away
End of
Leeds
the day, 3. Yeah.
इस गेम में we cannot even say that it was only corners because they got good goals. Gabriel Jesus
After
का
that,
goal, man,
by
that
Jesus
guy shoots hard, I think.
he yeah right तब से
I think
आया
he
तब से
should-
मार रहा है यार like अच्छा कर रहा है like
He
he's
should-
getting into
I
positions
don't
like
know why you all kept saying last season that you all don't have a striker.
Jesus, man.
he's
He's
good
doing a lot better.
Gabriel Jesus and Odegaard, I think they should come in as substitute after 60th minute.
I think after December, Jesus should start all games. December 25 के बाद भाई को रोकने का ही नहीं है.
नहीं
He's
वो
not
तुम लोग के साथ स्टार्ट किया था, कुछ किया नहीं. यूनाइटेड के साथ स्टार्ट किया था.
because
He
he had the
gets-
devils, no.
अरे माँ कसम Sabbath day के दिन सही है ना but actually like
Yeah.
he's doing well getting in good positions तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा है ये टाइम पे like Gyökeres is not
Exactly.
Gyökeres is okay at least you've
Hmm.
got someone who can come maybe make a change क्या पता you never know
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. He's like a good impact player. When the defenders are tired, you bring in someone who's good
हाँ.
at dribbling, who's
छोटा सा
good
घुस
with the
जाता
ball,
भाई वो zoom
technically
करके
अच्छा है. अरे हाँ, he's good at tight spaces. तो you can get someone like that. And Odegaard पूरे जब Gyökeres खेलता है तब एक पास नहीं देगा सेंटर से.
Seriously,
And
he's good in what
yesterday-
spaces?
Tight spaces.
Don't talk about his personal sexual life.
exactly
It's not-
that's what she said
That's what she said.
That's what she. Yeah, and Odegaard, वो पूरे जब Gyökeres रहता है, he does not give single pass to Odegaard through the center. And yesterday, within 20 minutes, one assist to Gabriel Jesus. That was proper ball which Gyökeres would thrive on. Because he never gives that ball to
he
Gyökeres.
doesn't like Gyökeres हम
I
गाली
don't know.
देते
And
हैं, क्या
yesterday,
बताएं?
Odegaard was replaced by Kai Havertz. I don't know Kai Havertz क्यों लेते हैं, but
Havertz is-
he's
You should start with Havertz.
You have
should-
such a bad agenda against Havertz, man.
exactly क्या
just-
तगड़ा
what did
player
he
है यार.
do yesterday? What did he do yesterday except for helping us get the corner goal, like Mario said?
What else you
But
need? See, that is
You
what
said
Arteta is
it.
telling him. Hold off the players. Havertz is strong. Anyway, but Arsenal, Arsenal, Surrey, एक ही बार 4-0,
Good
back
win.
with the title charge.
4-0. I don't know. We have
Title.
one more game today, which is
Huh?
very important. Spurs against Manchester City.
वो तुम लोग 4
I'm-
points के difference पर होगा. City जीत
वो
Spurs को
वो
कोई
सिटी
Spurs नहीं
जीत
जीता.
रहा है, पक्का
जीतेगा?
जीत रहा है,
Good.
but अंदर ही अंदर there is a hope that Tottenham does something.
I
Oh my God,
Arsenal fan saying Tottenham does something.
सही में.
Yes.
Oh Jesus.
I mean, I'm hopeful.
but-
I mean,
but
we did a
Tottenham
favor for
घर पे अच्छा
Spurs.
खेलता है
Like
ना?
Spurs are नहीं, घर पे बहुत खराब खेलता है. And आज घर पे ही खेल रहा है.
Tottenham under Thomas Frank किधर भी अच्छा नहीं खेल रहा है पहला 2 गेम छोड़ के.
क्या क्या बड़ा माइटी थॉमस फ्रैंक. ऐसा होना चाहिए कोच. ऐसा होना चाहिए 2 गेम में सब
रैंट में
कुछ.
मत जा. रैंट में मत जा. अमोरिम गया. रैंट में मत जा.
कितना so much hatred for Thomas Frank.
Of course.
कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है.
नहीं है,
United-
बट 2 गेम में इतना सुना उसका. एंड दे आर व्हाट नाउ 15th राइट ऑन टेबल. क्या
Same position that they were last year. And Postecoglou trophy तो दिलाया था last year.
Actually-
he's going for the champion.
He's going for qualified top 8. Hey,
अरे हाँ,
anyways,
actually they
thank you
qualified.
very much. Thank you everybody
Okay,
for
thank
joining
you.
the call. 4-0. Arsenal is back on the track.
Back
And
in the
we
title
shall
race.
see you next video very soon. After the Man United Fulham game. Let's see how. इसी मूड में है कि उस समय सूर्य हमारी चढ़ के मस्त तेल लगा के ले रहा है. Thank you
Actually.
guys.
Thank
Thank you.